Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the Hyperbola Worksheet. So this slide explains what's going on in the video. I'll leave it on for a short while before I move on to the first three verses of the rap song about the hyperbola. Here are the first three verses of the rap song. I'll leave it on for a short while before I move on to the next three verses. And here are the next three verses. And I'll move on to the next slide now where we have the worksheet. So here we have four separate questions. I'll leave this on for a short while, and notice the answers will be on the next two slides. So basically you're asked to draw graphs here. So I'll leave this on for a short while. Pause it for as long as you like while you do these questions, and then I'll move on to the answers. Okay, I'll move on to the first slide now, which shows the answers. So here we have the answers for questions 1 and 2. I'll leave it on for a short while, and then I'll move on to the next two graphs. And here we have the next slide with the answers. I'll leave it on for a short while before I move on. Okay, and here is the next slide. So what I've attempted to do here by introducing the rap song, I've attempted to integrate mathematics, English and music. I'll let you read this for a short while and then I'll move on to the last slide. And here's the last slide now.